I'm gonna go try a jig. Normal jig. And a frog. Over here by the cattails. Football head jig. Blue craw. The blue craws here in the pond seem to do pretty good. As I said before, comment on some tips. What would you use in this pond on a 90-degree day? Gray, I'm going up here by the cattails. You want to come? Just throw a jig out in the middle. See what happens. Got one. Yeah, buddy, we got one. That feels good. That feels real good. Oh yeah. That's a good one, buddy. Right away on the jig, out deep. That's what they want. That's a solid bass. That's a solid bass. Holy cow. Look at that guy. Oh, I got some stuff on my camera there, buddy. Gray, get the pliers. Get the pliers. All right. See if I can get this without getting stabbed here. That is a solid bass. I mean, just absolutely crushed the jig. Ouch. Shit. My line broke. Look at that.
I see him.
Go get the scale.
I can't.
The scale.
Yeah.
You got it. You gotta see how much he weighs here. That's a good bass. I'm gonna put him back. That's a South Dakota brute for you there, Flair. No dinks here. There you go, buddy. Swim away. I gotta go put a new clamp on. Destroyed my clamp. He fought hard. Told you, this blue crawl here in this pond, I mean, just does fantastic on hot days. I threw that one back, bud, because I broke my clamp. Huh? No, he broke my clamp, man. So I got to tie a new one on. I know a lot of people tie their stuff on. I like to just clamp. It's quicker. I'm not sure what they're at. There goes Anthony. On the Ninja 600.
Next time bring in that was okay.
Yeah. We'll just cut this off. We'll tie a new one on. We'll throw it in there.
I want a jig. Dad.
We need to get you a stronger line, dude, before we can jig it on your pole. I use the Rapala nut. I don't know what you guys use. I don't know if you can even see this from the camera angle is right now. Rapala nut. It's just twister.
Dad, almost nighttime. Dad.
Yep.
You made me run back and forth, Dad. Oh, something's over there.
All right, we're about to go right back over to that spot.
Where you got that fish
That's-
at?
Yeah, it's probably where I always top my 2 Rapalas off with just regular, yeah, my Rapala knots off with the little knot.
I don't want to use a worm.
Put the jig back on.
I want to use a worm, Dad.
Hey, bring your plopper frog over here.
What poppers?
Your pole with that, or your duck.
Duck?
Yeah. Let's take the scale and pliers with us because we're gonna catch some more over here. Bring the net and your pole. Yeah. That was a solid start to my bass fishing channel. I usually, we've caught a few dinks here. Normally it's 2-pounders and above. Didn't have my scale with me, but I just use this one from Bass Pro Shop. I zero it out so you can't tell that's on there. It came with a cheap clamp. I stepped on it, it broke, of course. But this spot right here is where I catch them in the wintertime too. I'll come stand on this little fire thing, cast out about right there. Seems to be where their nest is. Most of the time they catch it on the fall. I mean, they just love to slam these jigs. That might be another one there. Nope.
What?
Hey, take your frog over, or your duck over here closer to the cattails and closer to the bank.
Is there anything bait?
Get closer to the bank.
Why?
Because that's where they are, Gray. If they're gonna bite topwater, usually they're gonna bite closer to the bank, man. Lots of weeds in this pond. Sucks. I wasn't gonna go fishing tonight. I was just gonna go to bike night and do some more bike videos. But I was like, hey, let's try to get some bass videos in. Let's try to get multiple people on my channel. Do some wheelies on the bike. Just kidding, I can't do wheelies. I suck at doing wheelies on bikes, as you can see from my 50cc crash. But motorcycles and fishing got me off antidepressant bullshit. Grace, slow it down. Okay? Let's go try out here in the old cattails. Freaking mosquitoes. Let's throw this shit down here and let's go fish. Let it sink a little bit. Damn it. think one of my next days off, also, I should go to Pier and fish the national grasslands out there. Oh man, that's a bad one. Freaking bird's nest again. Using 30-pound braid. Usually gets the job done. The bites are not too good tonight. They're biting, but they're being stubborn. You tell they're hungry fish. Obviously that dude was hungry. And it's hard to cast into the damn wind. It's something I haven't really figured out yet. I don't know why. Oh man, that's a bad one. Scrape it up out of there. Bam. That's how you get a bird's nest out, boys and girls. I'm just soaking myself with pond water today. All right. That damn bird. Something just jumped up and tried eating the duck. That's nuts. There's a bass in here, boys. About to get it. Nice and slow. Speaking of ducks, my wife creamed one in the truck and it exploded all over the front of it. Should've got some pictures of it and posted them up. On her birthday. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy.